Okay, let's head to Crystal River and check out the old Crystal River Mall. This is what it used to look like before, and we're going to fly our drone up here and see what's going on today. Now this is in Crystal River, Florida, which is in Central Florida, and as you'll see here pretty soon, they have basically demolished the mall, and they're going to be doing some rebuilding with some apartments and commercial spaces and different things like that. But I did go to the old mall back in the old days when they had a movie theater. It was pretty neat. And in this area over here, you'll see they'll be putting an RV park. And it's going to be interesting to see what types of stores and shops and residential spaces are developed here. So this mall was built with a fabric roof with a 65-foot tall spire that held up the fabric roof in the middle, kind of in the courtyard area. And as you can see, obviously the mall has been demolished. It was closed in 2022, and the mall opened in 1990, and which is pretty short life cycle really for a mall. But you know, with everything changing and losing the anchor stores, the mall in 2011 had a 77% vacancy rate. I think this was the right decision to transform this property, as we all need more housing in Florida because Florida is growing, and this will serve the tourism that is really strong in Crystal River with the springs and the manatees. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for other future drone videos or any technology reviews, please let me know and comment below. Thank you. Have a great day.